Welcome to the CHRS time entry tutorial on how employees access their timesheet and report time worked. You can use the topics in the notes for this video to jump to specific sections within the video. Closed captions are available for this presentation. Click on the CC icon in the play bar to enable closed captions. To access your timesheet, log into the campus portal and click Employee Homepage in the Titan Online widget. Click the CSU Time tile. If you have more than one job, use the Job Title drop-down menu to select which job you want to enter time for. Check that the timesheet is on the correct month. You can use the arrows to navigate between months. Also check that the timesheet is on the correct week. Use the arrows to navigate between weeks. Select a time reporting code from the drop-down menu. Mostly, you'll be reporting regular hours worked. Some employees may be eligible for different types of time, so they'll see multiple time reporting code options. If you're not sure which time reporting code to use, consult with your department timekeeper. Enter the hours on the days that you worked. If you did not work on a day, leave the field blank. If you have multiple types of time to claim, add a row by clicking the plus button. Select another time reporting code. Then enter your hours. When you've made all your entries, click Submit. Read the statement and click OK to certify that you understand and accept the statement. Your changes have been applied. Click OK to return to your timesheet. Your timesheet will display all entries related to time and absences, so if you've entered any absences, those will also be visible on your timesheet. Submitting saves your entries, but does not finalize your timesheet. You may go back to make changes and resubmit as long as the pay period is still open and your manager hasn't approved your time entries. To view the approval status of your time entries, access your timesheet, then select Payable Time from the navigation area on the left side of the page. If you have multiple jobs, use the Job drop-down menu to select the job that you want to view your timesheet approval status for. Use the From and Through fields to select a date range to view. Click the Detail tab. In the Payable Status column, you'll see whether your time entries have been approved, denied, or pending approval. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please see the notes for this video for links to training guides and resources.